Hey there, future moguls. Tired of that 9-to-5 grind? Dreaming of being your own boss and raking in the dough? Well then buckle up, because today we're launching you into the stratosphere of entrepreneurial success. This is your step-by-step guide to whipping up a thriving business today. Plus some red-hot business ideas that'll have your bank account singing like a canary. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. Here's the magic formula for building a business empire. Step 1. Unearth your million-dollar idea. Imagine this. You're solving a problem people actually have, and they're willing to pay you to fix it. That's the sweet spot, my friends. Are you passionate about rescuing adorable puppies? Maybe a dog walking or pet sitting service is for you. Do you have a knack for making killer graphic designs? There's a world of freelance design gigs waiting to be snatched up. Think outside the box, but remember, there's gotta be a market for your magic. Still stumped? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Business idea 1. Drone photography or videography. If you're a skilled drone pilot, offer aerial photography or videography services for real estate agents, event planners, or marketing agencies. Step 2. Craft a business plan that slays. So you've got your golden idea. Now let's turn it into a money-making machine. Your business plan is like a roadmap to success. It tells the world, and the bank if you need funding, what your business is all about, who your target customers are, and how you're going to dominate the competition. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy MBA to write one. There are tons of free templates online to get you started. Business idea 2. Subscription boxes. Curate a box of awesome stuff around a specific theme and deliver it to people's doorsteps monthly. Think beauty products, pet supplies, or even educational kits for kids. Step 3. From concept to cash cow, legal stuff and funding. Now let's get legal. Depending on your business structure, you might need to register your business and obtain some licenses. No worries. The SBA, Small Business Administration, is a fantastic resource to help you navigate the legalities. Speaking of funding, if you need some moolah to get your business off the ground, there are options. Look into grants, small business loans, or even crowdfunding. Business idea 3. Niche content creation. Craft high-quality content like blog posts, podcasts, or videos targeting a specific audience with a shared interest, like gardening enthusiasts or pet owners with exotic animals. Step 4. Spread the word like wildfire. Marketing mania. Nobody knows about your amazing business if you don't shout it from the rooftops, or at least the internet. Social media is your best friend here. Create killer content, target the right audience, and run some eye-catching ads. Word-of-mouth marketing is powerful too. Tell your friends, family, your pet goldfish, anyone who will listen. Business idea 4. Virtual assistant services. Become a master organizer and help busy entrepreneurs with their administrative tasks. Bonus business ideas for 2024 and beyond. Idea number 1. Online coaching or courses. Share your expertise with the world. If you're a whiz at social media marketing or a guitar guru, create online courses and teach others your skills. Idea number 2. Sustainable products and services. Focus on eco-friendly alternatives like organic cleaning products, upcycled clothing lines, or home energy audits. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort, but with the right idea, planning, and dedication, you can absolutely make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fantastic business tips and tricks. And hey, if you have any questions or hot business ideas of your own, leave them down in the comments below. Let's build a business mastermind community together.